called as relative strength index. Relative strength index. Yeah, the method. So what does it show? Like, what does the relative strength index indicate? What does it indicate? Does anyone know that? Yeah, it shows the overbought and oversold values. It can be also like it's not market momentum. Yeah, it's on 0 to 100 scale. So the RSI or the relative strength index varies from 0 to 100. Am I audible? It's not that my voice is breaking, I'm talking like that only. Okay. So the relative strength index varies from 0 to 100. It indicates the overall strength of the stock or it indicates the overbought condition or oversold condition. What is overbought and oversold? What is overbought and oversold? When a stock is being bought by several people, it is called as overbought. Or when a stock is being sold by several like more number, it is called as oversold. Are you getting it? It's not support and resistance money. Okay. So the values from 0 to 100, okay, RSI values or the RSI oscillates from 0 to 100. Overbought and oversold are not same. Overbought means the stock is sold by so much of people, and oversold means the stock is sold by this much like more number of people. It's different. Buying and selling is different, isn't it? Okay, what is the condition? What will be the condition? I'll ask you some questions and then I will start screen sharing because it's a very simple strategy. If I start screen sharing it, you will get it very easily. I'll just have to show this is like when you have to enter or where you have to exit, you will understand more clearly. Okay, so RSI values were like varies from 0 to 100, and when it is nearby 0 or like when it comes below 50, the oversold value increases. When it goes above 50, the oversold value, overbought value increases. Okay, when it goes above 50, the overbought condition increases, and when it goes below 50, the oversold condition increases. Are you clear with it? And the RSI value is going above 50, it means that the overbought value is keeping on increasing. That means people keeps on buying the stock. When it goes below 50, people keeps on selling the stocks. Okay, and the intensity or the number of people or the value of being oversold or overbought keeps on increases when it moves from 50 away from 50. Are you getting it? No. Hold on a second. Are you seeing a white chart now? I mean a whiteboard. Yes, right. So see, this is 50 value. Okay, this is 50. Okay, if the overbought the RSI goes away from 50, it goes away from 50. This is suppose it's going up. Okay, this is the value is increasing. Okay, if it goes away from 50, it means that the overbought condition increases. And if it goes below 50 and if it goes down, it means that the oversold condition increases. You getting it? It's as simple as that. There is nothing to complicate. Salik, please turn off your audio and video. Hold on a second. Yeah. Okay. That's clear, right? So where can we use the RSI indicators? Okay, I'll let it clear while I'm explaining with the chart. Okay, it's very easy strategy. You can utilize RSI or the relative strength index while a stock is making way. Okay, leave everything, Salman. Just leave everything regarding what I've told now. Just leave that. Okay, just leave that. Let me tell you something about RSI. RSI can be used for scalping. Okay, what is the meaning of scalping? What is the meaning of scalping? Does anyone know the meaning of scalping? Yeah, trading to get small profit. It can be within seconds or 1 minute. Whenever you can trade and take profit, it's called as scalping. Yeah, so that's called as scalping. So you can utilize the RSI strategy for scalping to take your profits even when the stock is making a wave. People were turning on the noise and turning on the audio. Yeah.